Hello everyone, today I have something special for you. I'm gonna show you easy way how you can make edible fake charcoal at home. This is super cool garnish which you can use for your fine dining recipes. So let's not waste time and get started. For this recipe you will need cassava root, sugar, miso paste, soy sauce, charcoal powder, white wine and water. I'm gonna leave full recipe in the description down below so you can check it out. The first thing you have to do is to peel the root properly and then cut your portions. So I do it this way, but you can even do it smaller or leave it bigger, that's up to you. Then I mix all the ingredients and blend them with hand blender. And this recipe is only my version. You can do different flavors and experiment with different spices, wines, stocks or herbs. You have to always use the charcoal powder so you get the nice black color, but the rest can be optional. And the next step is just to cook everything on medium heat around 40 minutes so the root gets soft and all the liquid get reduced down. And after that I'm gonna just spread everything on the baking tray. If you wanna boost the black color or you have some white spaces there, you can put fresh charcoal powder on the top. And I'm gonna dry it 70 degrees Celsius around 1 hour inside the oven. And you should end up with something like this. Beautiful garnish for your fine dining dishes. So good luck guys and have fun. And if you want to learn another cool fine dining decoration, check out this video and learn how you can make this beautiful food squares, aka edible caviar at home. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.